We'll guide you through how to set up and send a poll in WhatsApp. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and liking the video, and let's get into this. Firstly, open up the chat or group which you want to go and send the poll in WhatsApp. Then what you need to do is go to the bottom left or just over to the left if your keyboard is open and go and click on the plus button just like this. Things may look slightly different in Android, but there's going to be the equivalent of this plus button. It may look slightly different, but there will be the same thing. And when you click on it, it then goes and reveals a few different options, and all you need to do is go and click on poll, just like this. And then we get this option here to go and create a poll. So firstly, we can go and ask the question. So I can go and say, what's your favorite color? And after you've entered in the question, you can then go and type in the options. So I could do blue, yellow, and each time you tap down, a new option will appear. And I think you can have a maximum of 12, I believe, but I haven't actually tested that. So keep adding them, and you can also choose if you want to allow multiple answers. I won't in this case, and then just go and click on send like this, and the poll will then be sent. And then what you can do is go and select an option for yourself, and other people can also go and select an option as well. And you can then go and view the votes by tapping at the bottom, and that's it. You can then go and see what everybody thinks. So if you guys found this useful, then please leave a like.